What are the things you'll be given after you've made payment for that real estate properties? That is the essence of this video. I would like you to watch to the end. If you have any questions or any comment, kindly let me know at the comment section. Like this video and share it, and ensure you watch this video to the end. So when people want to buy their real estate property, say land or houses, they ask those questions: that what am I going to be given after I make payment? Yes, and it's a valid question to ask. They ask that so as to show proofs for their real estate and properties transaction. So like I said, that is the essence of this video. And to answer these questions, permit me to say there are two levels to these things, about what you'll be given after you've made payment for that real estate property. I'm talking in the context of you transacting with a real estate property developing company here. The first is when you make an initial deposit for a property. Probably you are subscribing to the property on installment payment. And the second is when you've completed the payment for that property. Probably you are doing an outright payment or an installment payment, but now you've completed the payment for that property. Once you make an initial deposit for a property, for instance, say a land, you'll be given a payment receipt showing the amount that you've paid. Aside the payment receipt, you would also be given what is called a contract of sale. The contract of sale is a document that shows the contract agreement that binds both the sellers and the buyer in the property transaction. It shows the cost of the property. It shows the details of how you'll be going about the payment for the property. Probably you are doing it on outright basis or on installment basis. The contract of sales also gives the details about the property location. All these are what you'll be given in that real estate transaction. Don't forget, you'll be given a payment receipt upon your initial deposit for that property. You'll also be given a contract of sale. But that is not all. Once you make the full payment for that property, probably you did an outright payment or an installment payment, you'll be given two other documents aside the payment receipt that shows the full payment that you've made for that property. These two documents are the deed of assignment and the land survey for that particular property. The deed of assignment, whereby some people also call it the land sales agreement, is being prepared by a lawyer. It shows the agreement binding the initial owner of that property, which is the seller, and you, the buyer of that property. This deed of assignment or land sales agreement shows that there is now a change of ownership from the seller to the buyer. This deed of assignment will also show if there are certain agreements that binds both the buyer and the seller after the property transactions. This deed of assignment or the land sales agreement will be duly signed by the seller and the buyer. And like I said, the last thing you'll be given is what is called the land survey. Yes, either a registered survey or a provisional survey. This land survey document shows the boundary location of your land and the coordinates of your land. It is being prepared by a registered surveyor. All these documents that you'll be given, except the payment receipt and the contract of sale, that is the deed of assignment and the land survey documents, might take some time for you to get them. It might be immediately or after some months because of the process of preparing these documents. But you certainly be given these documents as they are very, very important in real estate transactions. I will also like you to note again that all these documents that will be given will only be given to you after you've made full payment for your plot of land. Yes, I'm talking about the deed of assignment and the land survey document, but the contract of sale and the payment receipt will be given to you after you've made an initial deposit for that property. And if you are doing installment payment, as you are making payment for that property, you'll be given receipts of all your payments. I'm sure you've learned one or two things in this video and it has answered some of the questions in your mind as touching what you'll be given in a property transaction. If you have any questions or comments on this, kindly let me know at the comment section or reach out to me via my contact at the caption of this video. And you should also reach out to me for your real estate investment and ownership, because real estate is the real deal, is one of the best investments that you can have on earth. I'm Ifeoluwa Oluwaleke of Homely Gold. Thank you so much for watching. Like and comment in this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel if you've not.